Okay, so hi dear Virgo, a very very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Charo, and this is a journal no contact no contact reading from today till the 15th of December. It's no contact reading. Okay, the roles can be reversed also. The action can be from your side also, and if it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video. Now, if you want to be a reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that, I'm doing it from a very, very long time now. And if you want one on one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can book your slots accordingly. Or you can mail me if you have any queries. So let's start. Virgo, the person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see. No. Oh, no, no. Their feelings are all over the place. No, honey. What's wrong? Okay, let's see. We have the Nine of Cups, the King of Swords, the Ace of Pentacles. Wow. See, this is their wish fulfillment. They feel like they should remain very very practical, very logical, and they should have a brand new beginning with you, but that brand new beginning should be based on logic, not based on love. This is their wish fulfillment, to be very practical, very logical in the situation, and having a brand new beginning with the guarantee of this time it's going to work out. Nobody can give you that guarantee, but this person feels like they should have the guarantee that if they and you are going to connect or reconnect in this lifetime again, you guys are going to make that work out forcibly, even if it is not going to work out ever. They feel like they should not, you should not let them down. Okay, if they ever come back to you, or if you guys ever reconnect with each other, so they are daydreaming about having a connection with you, but they are feeling like they are never going to show you the emotions, they're never going to show you the love. You should do everything like that towards them, and you should make that situation work out, no matter how hard it is going to be. God, what kind of person you're dealing with? Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey Virgo? We have the Eight of Cups, the King of Cups, the Two of Swords. Wow. Their intention is to understand whether there is still love in the situation or the love is completely gone. See, physically, they want to keep moving ahead. Emotionally and mentally, they want to understand what they really feel for you, what they really think about you, about this whole situation. Because they're not able to understand what they actually feel for you, what they actually want from you, why the hell are they not able to move on completely from the situation, and why the hell they are not able to stay. Why the hell, babe? Gujarati accent, anyways. So, this is somebody who wants to understand what they truly feel for you, what they truly want from you, and what the actual heck is stopping them from moving on from this connection permanently, and or what is stopping them from staying in the connection. So, they want to know all the answers within this dynamic. Okay. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 15th of December. Virgo, we have the Wheel of Fortune, the Moon, and the Six of Cups. Situation like, okay, something happened in the past between you guys, although they still feel there is a strong bond between you guys, but they're scared of the outcome of the situation, that they're like they're kind of their enthusiasm and their belief is converting into stress and anxiety and this energy of being scared of the unknown. So they know that you guys have a special bond, you guys have a special connection, but they're scared that with time it's going to become worse. It's not going to get better. With time it's going to become worse between you guys, and that is why this person is not taking any kind of action, because they have created scenarios in their mind that might never be true, or they may be, but they are so scared to open up to you right now. They are like, I am not going to connect with Virgo because I know this is going to be a disaster if I'm going to ever connect with them. So what's the use of even doing that? So according to them, there's nothing good ever coming out of this situation in this lifetime. So what is the use of even going in this direction or even thinking about connecting with you? That is why this person is not connecting with you. The guidance here, the Four of Swords. So from your side, Virgo, you should just keep yourself detached and heal yourself properly. Keep on healing yourself, keep on moving on, remain in the detached kind of energy, because whatever they're going through, they might project all of this on you, and you also are going to get in a very struggling energy if you are going to let this person project all of their like anxieties and issues on you. Don't let anybody, not even this person, we are talking about everybody, don't let anybody project their insecurities and unsafe kind of energies on you. You just keep yourself protected, keep yourself in the detached and healing mode, and keep moving ahead. Whatever is meant for you will actually come to you when we heal properly. Everything whatever is meant for us comes to us naturally, organically. You don't have to run or chase. Okay, so yeah, this is what I'm getting for you, Virgo. So thank you so much for tuning in, Virgo. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.